Want to clone any voice completely for free in under 60 seconds? You do not need expensive software or advanced coding skills to do this. Thanks to Hugging Face, you can generate realistic AI voice clones right from your browser. First, open Hugging Face and search for a free voice cloning space like F5 TTS. Next, you need a reference sample. Upload a clean, clear audio file of the voice you want to clone. A short clip of just 5 to 10 seconds works best. Make sure there is no background noise or music. Now, type or paste the exact text you want the voice to speak into the text box. Finally, hit generate. In just a few seconds, the AI analyzes the audio sample and creates a brand new voiceover that sounds just like your target speaker. You can preview it and download the audio file for your projects. Remember to always use this tool responsibly and never clone someone's voice without their permission. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more quick AI tutorials, and check the description for the free tool link. Happy cloning!